Hi, my name is 𝗏𝗏𝗃, and I'm excited to be part of Power BI 𝗗𝗃𝗏 2025, where I will be presenting at the Community Saturday. My session will be about mastering composite models as the Power BI self-service developer. The agenda for that session is regarding what is the live connection versus the composite model, and why is it the holy grail for self-service reporting. We're going to dive into how we can extend existing semantic model with some Excel data, but we're also going to deep dive into what should we be careful about, especially when working with calculation groups, look on performance, look on security, and so forth. I'm also going to teach you IT how to disable all this if you want to have full control of it. And I'm going to end with a full list of all the considerations you need to have if you would like to master the composite model. So come and visit the session and learn more on how to master composite models. Hope to see you there.